Hi, and welcome to yet another episode of Be Better Bit by Bit, a unique personal transformation platform. My name is Nishit Goyal, and I am the creator of this platform. Friends, I am a firm believer in the philosophy of small and consistent improvements, and that's what we try each day on this platform. During my last episode, I spoke about how work from home is the new world order and whether or not the lockdown stays for long, work from home is going to stay with us for a very, very long period of time. And you need to be agile and flexible to adjust to this new setup and change yourself fast to be super productive in this new way of living. In the last episode, I shared 3 points or advices or tips using which you can stay super productive during your work from home phase. In this episode, I am going to continue with that topic and cover a few more advice, and I hope they are going to help you bring a perspective change and become super productive each day. In the last episode, I specifically discussed how a fixed sleep schedule, physical exercises plus sunlight, and the habit of planning your day in advance can help you be not only productive but super productive in these times. So let's continue with this episode. My fourth advice is very simple: dress up. Yes, that can be a piece of very, very straightforward advice, but it's very important. Do not wear home clothes. You can be in your shorts and t-shirt, but do not make a mistake to be in your sleeveless tees or your boxers. It's important. Show yourself some respect. You probably are already doing this because there are Zoom or WebEx calls to be attended. But there are many of us whose job profile doesn't require them to do that. Or you might be just switching off your Zoom calls or Zoom videos or WebEx videos. Now, this advice is especially for those people. Get ready in the morning as you usually do when you go to the office or your workplace. Not exactly in that formal attire, but at least wear something formal. This simple shift in your working style will make the entire work from home exciting and productive. Friends, your mindset will immediately see a positive change towards your work and towards your day. Also, remember, don't take a lot of coffee and leisure breaks. Don't have a casual setting around your house. Any relaxed or casual feeling or setting will cause significant harm to your productivity dreams. Set up a small office in a corner. That will do much good to your work from home productivity. Now, moving on to the fifth advice: and your day. Yes, and your day. Don't forget to end your day. Work from home has to end at a specific time, like your work from office was having. Don't carry on with your office phone calls beyond working hours. A lot of you might feel that these are unprecedented times and hence it's fine to carry on with work beyond regular hours. No, it's not. Do you want to be productive? Don't accept unproductive habits. I am again repeating, work from home is the new way of living. It's not going to go out of your life soon. So respect time, respect your schedule, and respect the new life. Finally, the last advice which I have, uh, especially for the lockdown period, record these days. That's my final advice. Probably the best discovery I made on the day one of this lockdown period. I started recording every moment of my days. Why I'm doing this? because I know that there is a silver lining in this whole coronavirus episode. So, why not pick just 10 minutes from your busy WhatsApp and Facebook schedule and instead record the positives happening in your day? That activity in itself will push you to stay productive and note down all the positive things in your day. Remember, thinking on paper is a big self improvement exercise. So, when you put down all the positives which have happened in your day, it's going to make you super productive for the next day or the same day. At the end of this lockdown period, I know I will have a journal. I will have a detailed log of my time spent. This journal will remind me of the time or of the things I did for myself and my family and others. It will be a precious reminder to me during my tough times ahead and will be a legacy that I will leave for my family. Friends, you are still not late. Just grab your laptop, open a Word file, and start typing. Recall those moments, recall those good times, positive times, and put down a journal and start doing it from today. Friends, there is a lot more you can do in your day to stay productive, and you must be doing also. I will be very happy if you can share what you are doing in your life to stay active and productive during this work from home phase. Please share your comments below, and I will be happy to respond to it and to read them. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such exciting content on self transformation. You can also listen to our podcast Be Better Bit by Bit and 10 Bullets, 100 Words book summary for those book lovers out there. Both these podcasts are available on various streaming platforms like Stitcher or Spotify, Google Podcast, etc. Once again, make sure you keep making small improvements each day and you are consistent with those small improvements. So let's catch up in the next episode. Till then, bye bye, stay home, stay safe.